Today we will discuss how to connect Hostinger domain to a Google site. So let's dive into this method. And as you can see, I have on my Google site here. Take a look on the right top. You can see the icon setting. Click on it. Once you will click on it, a little pop-up will be show. In this pop-up, you have to select the option Custom Domain. Once you will select, here you can see Make your site easier to remember with a custom domain, like the example. So click on the option Start Setup. After it, what I need to do is I need to head over to my Hostinger. Once I will be there, log into your account, and on the top, click on the option domains. After clicking on the option domain, below you will see my all domains which I have on the Hostinger site. From here, you have to select that domain which you want to connect with your Google site. Just for example, I will select the last one. Now you have to copy it. After copying, move to your Google site and paste the link here. You can see it is not verified. You have to verify your ownership. So click on this option, and here make sure the selected option is domain, and below the pasted link is the same as yours. Now, click on the option Continue. After it, we need to do a few things for verifying our ownership. The first one is, we need to add a record, and that should be in TXT. Second thing is, I need to sign into the Hostinger, and then I need to copy the text, which is on the third number. Now let's move to the Hostinger, and we have to select that site which we want to connect with our Google. Click on Manage. And now take a look on the left side. You can see the option DNS/name servers. Click on it, scroll down a bit, and there you will see all the records. As you can see, I have already the same record, so I need to delete this one. Now it's deleted. Scroll up a bit and tap on the option type. Here, select the type TXT, name should be the same sign, and move to your Google site. And here, copy this one after copy, paste the value, and tap on the option Add Records. Now that record has been created successfully, head over to the Google and tap on the option Verify. It will take a while. And as you can see, the ownership has been verified. Click on the option Done. And now what you have to do, simply paste your same link here. After pasting, you can see it saying your domain is already connected to a different site. If you set up that, it will be disconnected from the existing site. So no need to worry. Click on the option Next. And now the last thing we have to do is, we need to add some records, and that will be CNAME. The value should be www, and this one is the destination. Now move to your Hostinger, delete the all previous CNAME records, and now click on the option type, and here select the option CNAME. Name should be www, and target should be this which we copy from the Google site, and tap on the option Add Records. Now it's created successfully. Now head back to your Google site and tap on Done. Now you can see our domain has been connected successfully. Now I will copy it and paste it in the New to tab. It's connected or not because it can take up to 48 hours. So just for checking, I will paste it in the New tab, and it's saying, this site is not connected. No need to worry if you see this kind of message, because it can take up to 48 hours. If you follow my method, then you will connect your Google site to the Hostinger domain.